So you can see I'm down on the tracks by Trinley Park, Royersford, waiting for the big boy to come through. So just to give an update, they kicked us off the tracks. I've got one GoPro mounted to a rail. Now I'm going to operate that remotely, and then I'm going to stand behind this tree and catch a train when it comes down. All right, where's our coins? All right, we got a quarter, penny, and then here's a nickel. Missing the dime. All right, thanks again for watching. That was one big train. Unfortunately, Haley had to work, so she couldn't be here with me, but follow us on our other adventures, train adventures. Check out our merch, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on another road trip.